Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to enable demo mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and go back to this video. Now if we are in the developer options, all we have to do is simply scroll down, and almost at the very bottom of this first section we've got the demo mode. So let's tap on it, and here we've got actually two different options. First of all, we can enable demo mode without actually showing it, and then we've got the show demo mode option. So first of all, let's tap on this switcher, actually turn it on, and let's show the demo mode. And as you can see, we've got some changes on the status bar. For example, all the icons are full. What's more, we've got let's say default hours set. What's more, after unrolling it, you will be able to check that, for example, the Wi-Fi is in a demo mode also. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode, the floor mode. And if you want to, you can turn it off. You can tap on this switcher here to hide the demo mode and to turn it off completely. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.